Hello, Maurice Baynett, Technical Director at EcoMaster. Today I'm going to let you into a little secret that you may not have thought about. If you're having a renovation, or maybe you're an owner builder of a new project, if you're going to have a bath, you're probably thinking when it's finished you're going to have a long hot soak in the tub, and what's going to make that a lot hotter and longer soak is if you insulate around the bath. So as a minimum, insulate the bath enclosure itself, but if you possibly can, insulate actually around the bathtub. It's going to keep the water hotter for much longer, so you can just relax and have a really long soak. In this case, we're not actually going to have access when the bath itself goes in, so the best we can do is to actually insulate the bath enclosure itself all the way around to make sure that there's very little heat leakage, at least this way. And that's what we're going to do now. So there you have it, a beautifully insulated bath enclosure, which is going to mean that the hot water stays hotter longer in the bath. Remember, if you get an opportunity to also insulate under the tub itself, do that. It's going to be that much better again.